If you or somebody you know suffers from a migraine, you are well aware of the excruciating pain it causes, which affects everyday life and aggravates even the most straightforward daily tasks. Migraines also lead to sensitivity, and sometimes, even a ray of sunlight causes terrible pain. These severely agonizing headaches are often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, blind spots, light flashes, and tingling sensations in the legs and arms. Moreover, their treatment is not easy, and even though there are numerous advertised migraine cures, none seem to provide relief, and they are expensive and full of unhealthy chemicals. Also, prescription migraine medication might soothe the symptoms, but not for long, as they come back as soon as the effect of the drug is over. This is great for the pharmaceutical companies, as they profit from the constant need for migraine drugs. Therefore, we will suggest an all-natural, completely safe, and extremely effective natural remedy for your migraines. Its main ingredient is salt, as it is extremely beneficial in the case of various ailments, including headaches, yet, make sure you buy a high-quality one. We suggest using organic Himalayan salt. It will boost the immune system, treat headaches and migraines, and restore the alkaline and electrolyte balance in the body. The other ingredient in the recipe is lemon, which alkalizes the body, cleanses it, and relieves a migraine. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon Himalayan salt, half a lemon. Instructions: you should squeeze the lemon juice into a glass of water, then add the salt and drink the remedy. After a few minutes, you will experience a great relief.